Alright, so this is my Indeed job I found on Indeed. It is a certified personal trainer out in Houston, Texas, in the College Station. They estimate around 60,000, but it's broken down into 30 to 100 an hour. The place is called Helios Fitness. Alright, so it's full-time or part-time, but full-time is what I'm going for. Alright, qualifications: bachelor, personal training for 2 years, which I have; customer service, which I have; certified personal trainer, which I have; and my AED certification, which I also have. My bachelor is what I will be getting in the year. Alright, job description: bachelor degree in kines, athletic background, minimum 2 years PT experience, natural build, strong relationships. CPR, I also have my CPR certification. Thinking about working on my new nutrition certification just to have on my resume. The rest of the qualifications and job description: being a team player. Schedule is Monday through Friday, and the benefits of that is flexible and employee discount. Like I said, experience: personal training for 2 years, which I have, and customer service preferred, which I've got from other jobs. Here you go, certified personal training certification again. And I mean, it's really good money out in Houston, Texas for being a personal trainer. It's got to find the right connection. But like I said, it estimated around 50 to 60,000 on Indeed when I looked it up under the tab up top. All right, that is my job in Google Drive drawings. Thank you.